This is Jacob. I'm running late tonight. I just cranked my big boys up. A new project. It's kind of loud in there because I just cranked it up. But I want you to hear how this sounds. You got to hear how this bad boy sounds. He's running like a champion. I got plenty pressure coming from my big boy. Plenty pressure coming from him. Listen to this now. Listen to this. I'm going to set it down. Listen to this. Yes, sir. That's that bad boy. That boy sounding right. When I cranked it up, I just had to share that with you. I just fired up. I was putting the head in the house. I just fired up. It sounded so good. I had to share it with you. Alright. I'm going to let you go for the night. This is Jacob. Peace to the soldiers. God bless everybody. Peace.